Once logged into your Zoom account, you will click the icon that says Host a Meeting. Then a drop-down menu will appear that says With Video Off, With Video On, Screen Share Only. I'm going to choose With Video Off. Next, you will click the icon that says Open Zoom Meeting. Once your meeting is connected, it'll say Join with Computer Auto. Once inside your Zoom meeting, if you look at the bottom of the screen, you'll see an icon that says Participants. If you click Participants, a list of all of your participants will appear to the right of the screen. And if you look at the bottom of that list, you can invite more participants. And if you look, there's an icon that says Mute All. That way you can mute all the people in your group to cut down on any background noises you're experiencing.